What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I woke up super late. So I woke up at 2:33 p.m. and it's 4:04 right now, and that means we have about maybe an hour and a half of daylight left and the sun's already going down. But we aren't doing much car things today to, you know, show you guys stuff in the dark. What we're actually doing today is Tyga's doing a little tune-up on his car right now, right here. And if you guys have seen a few videos ago, we slapped in a new motor, sleeve block, same stock GSR head, and currently we're running the same turbo kit because his new stuff is coming in this week. So what we're getting ready to do right now is, once he's done working on his car, my cousin's over there and he's going to be street tuning it today. So like I said, not a lot of mechanical work today in this video. It's more of a kick back, chill, you know, hangout type of day. My cousin's making some taco stuff right now. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna jump in the back seat, do a little street tuning with you guys. As you guys also noticed, my brother CRV is not here anymore. It's actually over there, and we finished it yesterday. He swapped the motor in while I was sleeping, came out, helped him button it up, and got it fired over, bled everything out. Everything's golden, and he can finally start driving it again. What turbo did you buy?
GTX 35R 82. GTX 35 82R.
Don't worry guys, he's learning. But he bought a GTX 35 82R turbo, which is the same one in Daniel's right hand drive 4-door, and that's going to be the new setup for his car when we have everything in and I start doing all the fabrication stuff for it. And his new manifold is a Spullen Performance Quick 4, which is also known as a mini ram. And he's had this for a while now. This was supposed to go into the car, but we ended up rocking this first and kept this for the new setup. New setup came sooner, so that means we're going to be using this really soon. He has all the fabrication parts in the back seat, all the 3-inch piping, new dump tube tubing and everything for when turbo comes in. I can mock it up on my motor over there and start fabricating all of the new hot parts. So my cousin invested in a timing light, and could you explain to me what we're doing here? First time for everything, right?
Huh? Setting time into 16 degrees.
16 degrees, and where we at right now? Damn, Pig, you and your AC and power steering stuff in the way. Oh wait, there's no AC this time around. Nope. Is that why you're going bigger all of a sudden? Chef Boyardee, what's cooking?
Some fucking tacos.
Ooh, show me what's good.
Just got your basic ass carne asada and some polo, nigga.
About to be some fuego stuff though. Oh,
yeah. Some tortillas.
You know what I'm saying? So right now Daniel's dialing in the map of the car, and then once everything looks good right now, we're gonna take it outside, do a little straight tuning. Right now we have a little issue with the idle surge. Is it still doing that idle drop?
That's not as bad.
Try it real quick. Let me see. It's not as low as before, but it still does it. Simple fix, I hope. Guys, so if you guys have seen all the videos before this one, you guys know I've been having a little issues with, I wouldn't even say little, I think it's a big issue. I'm really believing that the block is not decked, because I compared the picture when I got the block, the sleeve GSR, and I compared it to when I got the motor back. The deck looks the same, and on my invoice it doesn't show that it was decked. It just said bore and hone, and I'm leading to believe it just may be a uneven surface mating each other before the head gasket. So aside from that, I still have blow-by issues. I still think, besides the fact of the deck not being straight, there might be scoring on the cylinder walls, and the whole bottom end has to come apart again. But I've been talking to Miller and throwing the idea around of doing an H2B, and kind of falls into place because I got this package the other day right here, and I'm gonna open this with you guys real quick. So shout out to my buddy up north in Washington or Portland, Oregon. It's one of those. It says Vancouver, Washington. He said he don't need no credit for this, but I'm gonna give a shout anyways. Cameron, I'm gonna throw a little picture of his car right here. Thank you to you, brother, for sending this over to me. I guess you said that it's been sitting around for quite some times, and figured I could put it to use. Cut towards yourself and not your buddy. This one there. Aw, this guy's been street tuning without me. In this box, we have an H22 turbo manifold. It is a T4, it is a 44 wastegate, and I think this is a straight H. I don't think this is an H2B style, but regardless of the fact, we can definitely put this to use. I do truly miss my budget H22 CRX, and I've been kind of like itching on doing another H swap. And again, I was talking to Miller, doing a piston rod setup, almost similar to the Booster Boy setup in the all-wheel drive CRX, until we can figure something out with the B series, what's going to be happening with that, if I'm going to rebuild it, if I'm going to sell it, I don't know. But this right here is a big start and a big help, big push to if I want to do an H22 swap. So thank you Cameron for this. I'm definitely going to put it to use. So these dingleberry nutsacks took off without me, and I apologize for not getting any street tuning for you guys, but we're gonna go take it out real quick. So much for breaking in, huh? Let Daniel drive the car, and I heard that shit all the way from my house. You guys can argue in the comments below about how to properly break in the motor. Hey, calm your fast ass down in my neighborhood, blood. So my CSS motor that lasted 4 years before I cracked the sleeve on the dyno, that motor was 0 miles and broke it in on the dyno. The car made 451. My sleeve GSR, I drove it about 200 miles, including going to the dyno, and then, you know, we made power there, 452. I don't know the proper way of breaking in the motor, but I've always just straight to the dyno. See that one too? They called the first spot and the cops are already at the first spot. Look at this. Oh, they pulled over a Mini Cooper.
Yeah, but he already knows.
Bro, they're still trying to go. We could just hop on the backside.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this line. My goodness. Spectator, 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 all spectators. That's how boot the runs are out here. We just pulled to the second spot, and sure enough, there's already a cop. Well, the cop is not there. He's just chilling way down the street. Probably had no clue that this was going on, but you know how it is with the runs, man. They all scared, so everybody's running, and that's it. It's green light for you, good. Oh my God, look at this guy. He took a red light, and he spun out. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at him, cop over there. These are savages, bro. Oh, the Tesla cop car? That one on the right?
Yeah.
Yo. He's just scaring everybody.
Why would you go that way?
Stupid.
Idiot.